Ever walked into a room knowing exactly what you want to say and still second guessing yourself the moment it was your turn to speak? I have seen it happen to smart, accomplished leaders and speakers more often than you think, especially in high stakes conversations and environments where the pressure is sky high and the margin for error is slim. Hi, I am Smita Das Jain, executive coach and personal empowerment life coach to high achieving professionals who want to speak with confidence and lead with impact and thrive in meaningful careers they love. And today, in this video, how to speak with confidence in high stakes communication, I want to share with you how you show up with powerful presence when it matters the most. When was the last time you stayed silent in a meeting or underplayed your opinion just because the stakes felt too high to risk getting it wrong? Let me know in the comments. You are not alone in this. The leaders who consistently thrive under pressure do one thing differently. They don't wait for confidence, they communicate their way into it. And this is how to do it. First, ground yourself in the why before the what. Most people jump straight into what they are going to say. High impact communicators start with why it matters. One of my clients, a senior VP in an MNC, used to feel overwhelmed presenting to the board. After we reframed his preparation to focus on his message's larger purpose, not just the slides, his energy shifted. The board listened. He felt grounded. Try this. Before your next high stakes conversation, ask yourself, what's the core outcome I want to drive and why does it matter? And frame your message accordingly. Second, script your first line. Let the rest flow. No, you don't need to memorize your entire speech. But the first 10 seconds, they are everything. Another client of mine, a country director, struggled with nerves at global town halls. We crafted his anchor line, a powerful opening that set the tone and helped him feel in control. He started strong, stayed composed, and left an impression. Here's the action tip for you. Script your opening line for clarity. The rest will follow naturally once you are in motion. Third, own the pause. Let silence work for you. Confidence isn't in how fast you speak. It's in the space you hold between your words. When you pause intentionally, you give your audience time to absorb and yourself time to think. Try this one thing in your next meeting. After making your point, pause for 3 seconds. It may feel long, but it will land with power. Fourth, rehearse with purpose, not for perfection. Confidence isn't about sounding robotic. It's about being ready while still feeling real. One of my clients, a brilliant CFO, used to script every line of his quarterly town hall. But the moment he went off script during Q&A, something shifted. He was grounded, human, and magnetic. Instead of rehearsing for perfection, he rehearsed to connect. And that's what I would advise you. Rehearse to connect, not to achieve perfection. Focus on your key message, anchor points, and the impact you want to create. Presence always beats polish. Fifth, channel nerves into authority, not avoidance. Even seasoned leaders feel nervous before high-stakes conversations. The difference? They don't fight their nerves. They reframe them. One of my clients, a CHRO, used to dread board updates. Her turning points? Realizing that nervous energy could be redirected as executive presence. When your body signals stress, it's also signaling importance. Use that awareness to slow down your breathing, plant your feet, and speak from your core. Nerves are a sign you care. Authority comes when you own them, not when you suppress them. The truth is, confidence in high stakes conversations isn't about having all the answers. It's about having the presence to pause, the clarity to respond, and the belief that your voice matters. And if you're ready to build that kind of confidence, not just in meetings, but in strategic discussions, boardrooms, and critical conversations, I would love to support you. Book a strategy session using the link in the description and comments. Let's help you lead with words that move people and presents that open doors. Do drop a comment to let me know how you found this video. I will see you next time. Until then, speak with confidence and lead with impact.